What's up, everybody? Baxter again over here at carwashcountry.com. I'm out here in the driveway with my TJ, and I wanted to share a tip that I think's pretty effective at cleaning these soft tops. I got a soft top, and I just started washing this. This is pretty filthy. It was pretty filthy when I started, and one device that I like for cleaning this, since it is a canvas, you want to be careful around your windows here, but a soft bristled brush like this is not very, these bristles are pretty soft. It's not like a tire brush or anything, but I think it does a good job at really dislodging dirt, because if you can, I don't know if you can see this, this is sort of porous. It's got these little textured, I guess, circles if you really zoom in a lot, and it's hard to clean if you're just using like a wash mitt like this. So one thing that I found is this brush, it really does help. You just have to be careful around the windows. You don't want to scratch those. And another thing I wanted to point out that I am going to get for this, and I'd be interested to see how you guys and girls wash the top, but I'm basically just standing right here and getting on top of the Jeep to clean about half of it here. But I'm actually gonna pick up a platform that you can use for like lifted trucks and Jeeps. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check it out. But these are non-slip platforms. They've got like some non-slip material, so you don't have to worry about them being real slippery when you're using them with water. But as long as you're careful, they're really nice, especially when you start to get to the top of your Jeep, like right here. Unless you have running boards, like it's just really easy. Take 2 seconds, unfold this thing, stand on top, and really reach your arm all the way across here. You know, if you don't want to use a brush or anything, and if you want to use a brush like this and a wash mitt instead of a long-handled brush, pick up one of those platforms. This is great. I've already removed like so much stuck on dirt and pollen and bird poop and all kinds of stuff. So let me know what you guys think. Check out carwashcountry.com. If you want some more pro tips on auto detailing, go to our resources section. I've got a bunch of ebooks and stuff that you can look through. But hope it helps. Until next time, hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.